If you're testing AI prompts manually, you are wasting hours of your time. Hi everyone, Anshita this side from AV Automation Hub, and today is day one of my AI testing series, where I will show you how to test AI like a professional. So here's the problem with AI, it's unpredictable. You run the same prompt twice and you might get two different answers. And if you're building AI into your products, you can't just hope it works. You need tests, you need assertion, and you need proof. And that's where Promptfoo comes into the picture. It's an open source testing framework that lets you test AI models the same way you test any APIs. You write your prompts, you define your expectations, and let it validate everything automatically. So let me show you how this works. So installation is pretty simple. It's just one simple command, which is npm install -g promptfoo. And once the installation is done, you need to create a project. I'm using VS Code for the editor. You can use any editor of your choice. So here, what I've done, I've created a YAML config file. This config file is where the magic will happen. You write your prompt, and here I'm testing the hotel data extraction. If you see, I'm just extracting the following information from the hotel description. I've provided the description, I've provided my prompt, what all things I want to validate. And here you can pick an AI model. In my case, I'm using Groq because it's fast and it is free. But you can use OpenAI or Hugging Face or any other provider of your choice. All right. And then you add the test cases with the assertions. This is my text. These are my assertions in which it is validating if the text contains Dubai Marina, if it contains pool, and if it contains 500 dirham. So this is systematic testing, not any guesswork. So before running the test case, make sure you have configured the AI provider. Like in my case, I said I have used Groq, which is fast and free. So I've used the Groq API key and I have configured it. In your case, in case you're using OpenAI or any other provider, make sure you export the API key for that. Once that is done, you have to use the command promptfoo eval and it will run your test. So in this, if you see, this is successful. It is validating all the key points which you have mentioned in the test. For example, okay, let's do one negative test case. In case I'm mentioning instead of 500, I have mentioned 650. And if I save it and run it again, you see, in this case, it is failing. So no guesswork over here. The AI correctly extracted location, amenities, and the pricing from the text. All right. This is how you test AI in production. This is professional AI testing, repeatable, automated, and production ready. So if you're serious about AI testing, follow this series and subscribe if you want to level up your AI testing. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching AV Automation Hub, and I will see you in the next video.